How to fix Instagram not posted yet on Android phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick. First, open Play Store and just see if you have any update for Instagram, and then just update it. And now go back, go to settings, apps, and apps again. Type here Instagram and click on it. Now click for stop and then storage, clear cache, and that's it. Now turn off Wi-Fi and turn it on again. And if you have an iPhone, just go to your settings and then go to general and then iPhone storage, and you need to find Instagram, click on it and click offload, and that's it. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.